Getting the We're having trouble finding that site error in Firefox? Don't worry, your internet isn't broken. In this video, I'll show you 3 quick and working methods to fix it and get you browsing again in no time. Solution 1. Refresh Firefox first. Click on the Firefox menu. Then click on Help. Now select More troubleshooting information. Here, click on Refresh Firefox. On the pop-up, click Refresh Firefox again. Once it's done, click Done. Then click Continue. And finally click Let's Go. This gives Firefox a clean reset and can quickly fix the issue. Solution 2. Change privacy protection settings now for the next solution. Click on the Firefox menu again. Go to Settings. Click on Privacy and Security. Under Enhanced Tracking Protection, select Increase Protection. Then choose Next DNS as the provider. This can fix browsing issues caused by DNS filtering. Solution 3. Reset the network adapter for the final solution. Search ngpa.cpl in the Windows search bar. Click to open ngpa.cpl. Right-click on your network driver. Click Disable to temporarily turn off the internet. Now right-click the driver again. Click Enable to turn the internet back on. This refreshes the connection and may solve the error. That's it. Try these fixes and your Firefox should be back to normal. Thanks for watching.